name is Liza and I work at the North Park Village Nature Center, and I'm here today at the North Park Village Recycle Center. I'm here to show you some things that you may have in your house that we see in everyday objects, and what can these objects actually become before they end up here. And one of the things that I'm looking for in particular, especially to spend my summer with, is to make a nature journal. So follow me as we tour the Recycle Center to look for all the wonderful materials to reimagine what they can be and what they can be for you. But let's take a little tour and see what's here and see what we can use. So I do see that right here they have a book and magazine exchange, which is an awesome place. If you have some pictures, take a look in here and take a closer look. Are there objects in here that you'll have at home that could become something else? Perhaps a bug catcher or a bird feeder. Recycle Center can be a really great place, but honestly it might be even a better place if there's things that we can reduce and reuse in our own homes. So what else can we find in here that we also might find at home that maybe we can keep from ending up here? My idea was to make a nature journal. What do you think? Ooh, old magazines, awesome. Paper, maybe something to blend it with. Use it all summer. So I do have some paper. I have some materials to decorate with. Oh, these old folders that we might discard and not think about ever again. Oh, and some soft new paper that's kind of shiny. These old boxes can be reused too. This might actually make the perfect other side to bind behind. Alright, so I think I have some materials in my shopping cart. I have some paper, I have a binder. I think I'm ready to make my journal.